In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce cart page. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to customize their online store and enhance their customers' shopping experience. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the admin dashboard. Once you're there, look towards your sidebar and select Pages. Within the Pages section, find and click on Cart. This will bring you to the current settings of your cart page. If you've previously set up WooCommerce, this is where you'll see everything laid out. Now you'll notice the shortcode or classic block that's currently in place, simply identified as WooCommerce Cart. This is the default setup provided by WooCommerce, but we're going to remove it to make room for something even more dynamic. So go ahead and carefully remove this code or block. Don't worry, you won't lose any functionality as we'll be replacing it with a more powerful and customizable option. Moving forward, you're going to insert the cart block. To do this, open up the block inserter, which is typically represented by a plus sign either in the top left corner of the editor or directly within the canvas where your content is. Search for the cart block. Once you've found it, click to add it to your page. You'll notice it slots in neatly, ready for customization. With the cart block comfortably in place, it's time to shift our focus to the block editor sidebar. This is where you'll find a host of options designed to help you tailor your cart page precisely to your preferences. Start with the cart items table. This is where your products will be displayed once a customer adds them to their cart. You can adjust the way these items appear to ensure they align with your brand's aesthetic and functionality. Move on to the coupon section. Customizing this area involves deciding how visible and accessible you want discount entry to be for your customers. Consider your strategy around customer incentives and adjust this section accordingly. Next, let's turn our attention to the cart totals. This is crucial as it's the section that summarizes the customer's selected items, applicable taxes, and any other additional charges. Ensure all details are clear and comprehensible so customers aren't caught off guard during checkout. Finally, explore the cross-sells options. This feature can be a particularly effective tool to increase average order value by showcasing complementary products right on the cart page. You'll also want to look into layout options to ensure the page is visually appealing and user-friendly. Feel free to try different arrangements to see what looks best with your overall site design. And there you have it, step by step, on customizing your WooCommerce cart page. I hope this guide empowers you to create a seamless and attractive shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.